Hi guys, Google Pixel 6 Pro details have been leaked via XDA developers. The phone is tipped to support 120Hz refresh rate, come with battery share support, and integrate a Samsung 5G modem. The Pixel 6 Pro is also expected to pack a triple rear camera setup with a 50 megapixel main camera. Google Pixel 6 Pro is an upcoming mobile by Google. The Pixel 6 Pro will be fitted with a 6.7-inch QHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. According to information Google shared with the site, that display is slightly curved on the edges. The vanilla Pixel 6 is equipped with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus screen with a 90Hz refresh rate. Those specs were first coined by a leak from John Prosser. The early info regarding display resolution has been officially confirmed by the Google announcement. Judging by the positioning of the front-facing camera, 9to Google has managed to figure out the resolution of the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro screens using the power of math. The former was correctly calculated to have a 1080p display and the latter a 1440p one. The Google Pixel 6 Pro will offer 4x optical zoom according to the snapshot press release that Google decided to launch out of now here. Rumors and leaked renders have indicated that the Pixel 6 Pro will come with a triple camera setup consisting of a 50 megapixel main and 12 megapixel ultra wide units and a telephoto camera. Google remains silent about the exact numbers behind the cameras but confirmed the Pixel 6 Pro will include a new folded telephoto camera capable of 4x optical zoom. According to the new release info, both phones will use the same main camera and ultra-wide, which takes in 150% more light than before. The vanilla Pixel 6 omits the telephoto camera. The selfie camera is said to be an 8 megapixel snapper on the Pixel 6, while the selfie camera on the Pixel 6 Pro will be hugely improved. A special P21 front setup feature in the Android 12 core reveals that the Pixel 6 Pro front-facing camera will be 12 megapixel and capable of 4K video recording, and there will be a LED flash ring around the bigger punch hole. According to the latest info, the Google Pixel 6 and Google Pixel 6 Pro are expected to use Samsung 1-year-old GN1 sensor found in a handful of devices, mostly sold in Asia. The high-end Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro are slated for Q4 2021 release, and Google Pixel 6 Pro expected price $999. Connected for more updates, and please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.